happy to show you one of the apps that we developed for forex trading, and is doing an amazing job. We have tested it for almost a year now, and today I'm happy to introduce you to do. Yesterday was Sunday, 21st of December 2025. We tested it on BTC USD, which is Bitcoin, and it did marvelous. We got some trade signal from our app, and it was an amazing. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you through the trade that was given by the app. So first, we will launch the app here. This was what happened here. Let me take you through one of the steps that you do to get the signal. Okay, you go to AI suggestions, then you click on chart analysis, then you upload a screenshot of your charts. So this is what you do. You put the screenshots here, then you click on analyze, then you get the results. So without wasting much time, I just want this video to be short, so I'm just gonna go to where when the app finished processing the signal, you have the option to save it. So yesterday we saved the signal that was given. So you go here, that's save analysis. Let me find save analysis. Yeah, perfect. All right, so you come to this side. Let me scroll down a bit. Yeah, Bitcoin. So you go to view details. All right, so this was the chart that we gave to the app, and it processed it and gave us a signal. So it was on 1 hour time frame trade, 1 hour time frame chart, sorry, and the currency pair was Bitcoin, and the current price that was given to us was 87.605, and the trend direction was bullish according to the analysis of the AI. The trend was bullish, and the market structure was higher highs and higher lows. And these are the key levels it was looking at. It was looking at support key level at 8,700 and 86,000, and the resistance was 88,000. Now it identified some indicators. It was using stochastic and EMA. Now the market session was what? Look at the date. The date was what? 21st December 2025. We cannot lie to you. As you can see, it has documented everything. So in the future, if you want to see the trades that you took, it will give you all the date and everything. Volatility was what? As volatility assessment was what? It was medium volatility. So let's look at the strategy recommendation. It recommended a strategy, what? Reverse Fibonacci stochastic strategy. It used this strategy to what? To give us the trading for the Bitcoin. And a confidence level. It gave a confidence level of what? Medium. The confidence level of the signal it gave was what? Medium. It wasn't high level confidence trade. And the reason behind was what? Current price indicate a potential support level near 87,000 with a bullish momentum in stochastic indicators suggesting a buy opportunity. Fibonacci retracement levels are in line for potential reversal. So this was what? The reasoning behind the trade that it gave, the bullish trade that it gave. That was the reasoning behind it, and it gave a confluence factors. Fibonacci level confirmation, stochastic momentum was also given us as a great signal, and there was current bullish trend confirmation. Sorry, let me switch on my light. I can see it has gone off. Sorry, let me do it like that. My light has gone off, so maybe it may be a little bit dark, but let's concentrate. The trading prime was what? Trade direction was long, which is bullish. Entry price was 87,605. Stop loss was 87,000. Take profit 1 was 88,000. Take profit 2 was 88,500. Position recommendation was 1% of trading capital. This is an amazing, I told you it was giving us a medium what. It wasn't giving us a high potential trade, because that was the reason why it gave 1% of trading capital. This dynamic, it doesn't stay at the 1% all the time. Sometimes it can tell you to trade 2% of your capital, depending on the reason behind the trade, or how the AI sees the trade. If it sees it to potentially high probability trade, it will give you maybe 3%. It will tell you to trade 3% of your capital. So this time around, it was seen as a medium trade probability. So it tells us to trade only 1% of our capital, and it was giving us a risk reward of 1:4, and the expected trade duration was 1 hour, 3 hours. This is amazing. It will tell you when to expect your profit to be taken. So it was given a 1 hour time frame to 3 hour time frame. This is amazing. So sometimes if you are working, you know that at least 1 hour time I should check my trade, or 3 hours time I should go and see how the trade is doing. So this amazing app that we have developed is doing an amazing. We have tested for more than 1 year, and it now is ready to hit the market. So if you're interested, you can comment, I need it, then I will send it to you. It's very, very easy to use, and you love it. Now it's giving us the step-by-step approaches to trade this direction that it has given to you. It has observe price action around current levels for a bullish confirmation candle. Place a buy order at the current price of 87,605. Set a stop loss at 87,000 to limit potential losses. Set take profit 1 at 88,000 when the first resistance level is approached. Take profit 2 at 88,500 if further bullish momentum is confirmed. Now, these are the steps that when the trade direction has been given to you, this is the step you have to follow, and it's very simple. Even if you are a beginner, you don't know how to trade, this step will guide you toward trade the direction that the AI has given to you. Now let's go to the risk factors. Market volatility could reverse the trend unexpectedly. This is the risk factors of trading is telling you. Force breakout above resistance could trigger stop loss. Potential for sudden news events affecting Bitcoin can also affect the trade direction. So these are the risk factors that it is telling you. So you have to be mindful of it, and sometimes you have to go and check how it is the trade is doing, so that you can amend 1 or 2 things. Now let's go to and it's also giving market timing. It said next optimal entry window is next 1 hour. So the trade was given to us around 4 p.m. Europe time, that's Berlin time, and it was telling me that I should expect an entry around 1 hour time. So this is an amazing, very amazing. This is not the random hours people have developed. You can see that it's being like a proprietary trader. It's telling you what to do the next. Everything is documented, so you just have to follow it. If even you don't know how to trade, this is an amazing app to help you. It will teach you how to be patient. It will teach you how to trade, because it's not just telling you randomly take a bullish trade. No, this is giving you a step by step. Is teaching you how to trade. So if you don't know how to trade, this can be your guide. Now, session consideration. Current trading session shows bullish sentiment. Volatility timing. Medium volatility appears favorable for potential gains. Now let's go to additional note. Monitor economic news that could impact Bitcoin price in the coming hours. Now, this was what the file was uploaded. Look, Bitcoin US dollar. It was uploaded around 21st December 2025, and the time was 2:58 p.m. and 17 seconds. That was the time we uploaded the file to the AI to analyze it. So you can see no one is lying, everything is documented. This was the URL for the file that was uploaded, and this is the size. So now let's go back to the trading view and see how the trade was utilized here. The signal was utilized, sorry. Now I mark up all the signals and the take profit, stop losses. I mark everything. Now let's see something here. This was the entry. If you could remember, it gave us an entry of 87 and 605 as the entry point, and a stop loss of 87,000. First take profit was here around let me check. First take profit was around 88,000, and the second take profit was around 88,500. This was the signal that was given to us. So let's check something here. We got the entry around here. We got our entry here. That was 87,600. We got the entry here, and around this time, within short term, we got what? We got take profit one was hit here, around here. We got the take profit around here, and take profit two was around also here. So we hit it around the time that was given to us, around the 1 hour to 3 hours time. We hit take profit, and I didn't close the trade because I analyzed it again, and it was giving me what? A still bullish momentum. And as you can see, the trade is still on because it's having what? A very good momentum to give out a very good high risk reward. So if you're interested in this trade, if you're interested in this app, just send me I need it, then I will DM it to you. Thank you very much for sticking to us. Tell me in the comment box the kind of currency pair that you want us to analyze, so that in my next video I will analyze it and send it to you. Also subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you can get hands on it. And don't forget, every day I will be analyzing at all the trades that we take, so that you too can see how amazing this app is doing. And also don't forget, if you need signal to also trade, this is a very good opportunity for you, because every day I'll be sending what signals to you, so that when the signal hits, or when we hit by the close of the day, then you can analyze the chart or the signal that was given, so that we all see how the app is doing. Thank you very much, and peace out.